Hi, this is Dr. Bob Payne from Miami, Florida at South Kendall Animal Clinic. In this clip, I will show you how to tell your dog is pregnant. Usually what happens about a third of the way in the pregnancy, the stomach or tummy gets distended and the breasts become more full. The last week or two of pregnancy, the breasts will engorge and have milk come out. Lactation will occur. Unfortunately, you can go through a false pregnancy, which will mimic everything that you would think is a pregnancy: the swelling, the nesting, everything else, the swelling of the abdomen, the swelling of the breast, and the dog will not give birth because it's called a false pregnancy. That's often a negative thing for the breeders, but it does happen. Sometimes they'll discharge at the end of the pregnancy, a mucoid discharge from the vulva. The vulva is back in here, below the anus. Sometimes they won't be distended to the last week or two. Sometimes people don't know. If there's only a puppy or two, there may be no distension. She may not want to eat very much because the puppies are displacing the normal stomach and intestines. So if you see distension or a lack of appetite and she starts to sort of like score away towels, she may be nesting. But if you see milk, it's usually the last week of the gestation period. You should increase her food intake by giving her puppy food and plenty of water. We also recommend an area for her to nest that she can walk away from the puppies. And it's usually a 5 or 6 inch lip or 4 inch lip around this little pen with rags that you can wash and keep clean. When veterinarians palpate for fetuses, we feel like rosary beads in here, small lumps, and they can be very small in a breed like this, a Boston Terrier, or it can be very large, and we'll feel little bumps in rows usually. And the veterinarian will sometimes feel it and sometimes not. Sometimes later in the gestation it becomes difficult because there's so much fluid around it. The best time to palpate puppies is usually 30 to 40 days because they're just the right size to palpate, maybe 21 days on a bigger dog, and they're not covered by amniotic and allentalic fluid. Anyway, so they can take x-rays after 40 days. We can do ultrasounds after 21 days at your veterinary clinic to find out if she is pregnant. So keep her clean and dry and keep a nice area for her in case she does give birth. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Bob Payne.